It's a different money, but looks like
Nathan, move with me.
All right.
Nathan, what are you doing?
Chal. What happened to the connection? Screen is coming so weird.
Weird for you or for me?
Huh? But I don't know. Let's see. Getting better.
Okay, done.
All right, sure. That's it. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Good. Okay. All right. Chalo. Sit in the position.
You've just eaten food, you can't do exercise. Sorry. After eating food, you need to wait. Yeah.
But he also wants to do yoga.
He just had breakfast 5 minutes ago, so I'm saying no.
He can do a little bit Om, and I will tell him what he can do.
Not here, please, not here. Nathan, if you're here, the dog is also here, baby. Why are you troubling me so much? I did that for you.
Chalo. You have so much distraction.
I never get a my time, that's the biggest curse. I either have a dog who troubles me or I have a human two-legged dog who troubles me.
I'm not a dog.
I said a human two-legged child.
Chalo, put your hands on the knees. Make a Shin Mudra. Sit straight, backbone is straight, shoulders rolled back. Face towards me, eyes closed. Try to focus on your Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra is the point where generally we put bindi or tilak. So try to focus on your Agya Chakra between the eyebrows. Breathe in, breathe out. Nice and slow. Try to bring peace to your body, to your mind. Try to take your mind away from everything else. Just focus on your Agya Chakra. Let's chant Om 3 times. Take a long deep breath. Om. Om. Your eyes closed. Let's chant Gayatri Mantra 3 times. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your palms together. Rub them together. Feel the heat. Feel the energy. Let it flow to your body, through your face, through your eyes. Massage a little bit. Bring your palms in front of your face. Look at your palms. Slowly open your eyes. For a few seconds, look at your palms. And bring your hands down. All right. Very nice. Chalo, I'll put on some music. You do little bit of walking, jogging. Okay, leg work, whatever you are comfortable with. How's your foot? How's your knee pain?
Reducing.
Reducing? Okay, good, good. All right, so I'll play some music. So next for 3 to 4 seconds, do the jogging, walking, whatever you feel comfortable with, okay?
I kick you if you're on the floor. Seriously.
I don't think so.
राम नाम के साबुन से जो मन का मैल छुड़ाएगा के दर्पण में वह राम के दर्शन पाएगा।
निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वह राम के दर्शन पाएगा।
राम नाम के साबुन से
Lift your leg up.
नर शरीर अनमोल रे प्राणी प्रभु कृपा से पाया है।
शरीर अनमोल प्राणी प्रभु कृपा से पाया है।
झूठे छल प्रपंच में पढ़कर प्रभु को क्यों बिसराया है।
झूठे छल प्रपंच
Lift your knees up.
पढ़कर प्रभु को क्यों बिसराया है।
समय हाथ से निकल गया तो हो, समय हाथ से निकल गया तो सर धुन धुन पछताएगा।
निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वह राम के दर्शन पाएगा।
राम नाम के साबुन से झूठ कपट निंदा को त्यागो, हर प्राणी से प्यार करो।
झूठ कपट निंदा को त्यागो, हर प्राणी से प्यार करो।
घर पर आए अतिथि कोई तो यथाशक्ति सत्कार करो।
घर में आए अतिथि कोई तो यथाशक्ति सत्कार करो।
पता नहीं किस रूप में आकर हो, पता नहीं किस रूप में आकर नारायण मिल जाएगा।
निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वह राम के दर्शन पाएगा।
राम नाम के साबुन से
Relax.
साधन तेरा कच्चा है जब तक प्रभु पर विश्वास नहीं।
साधन तेरा कच्चा है जब तक प्रभु पर विश्वास नहीं।
मंजिल को पाना है क्या जब दीपक में प्रकाश नहीं।
मंजिल को पाना है क्या जब दीपक में प्रकाश।
All right, relax. Start rotating your head. Let's do neck work. Start rotating your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Look, wait, Miriam. How to rotate the head? Okay, I'll show you. Okay. So, no, not like this, not like this. So you have to make sure that your touch is coming to your ear is coming to the shoulder.
Like this,
Yes. Yes. Exactly. So feel all the way. Go back also towards the sky. Look towards the sky. You can keep your eyes open, otherwise you may feel dizzy. All right. Pause after you have done 20 times.
both sides.
No, do it just one side 20 times and then change the direction.
Okay, done.
Yeah, change the direction. Change the direction. Make sure that you feel the stretch in your neck. Change the direction. You're doing the same direction. Change the direction. 1,
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. 8, Bring your ears close to your shoulders. 9. Yes. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Breathe in when you go up. Breathe out when you come down. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. Relax. Work on your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. Do bigger the circle, more the exercise you are giving. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Feel the stretch in the back. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Change the direction. 1, do it in the front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Feel the stretch. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. If you're not feeling the stretch, that means you have to do little more. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Very nice. Both hands in front of your chest. 1, 2. Feel the stretch in your waist. 3, 4, 5. Go all the way. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Keep your eyes open. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. All right. Let's work on our hands. 1, 2, 3. Feel the stretch. Go all the way back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and relax. 20. Now make a one big circle. Big circle. You can do it slow. Do it slow, but make a big circle. 1. Stretch yourself. 2. Stretch. 3, 4, 5. Do it. 6. Continuously. 7. Don't take the hands back. Don't relax. Take it continuously. 8. Yes. Do it. 9. Continuously without stopping. 10. Very good. 11. You can do it without stopping. 12. 13. Yes. 14. Continue. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Almost there. 19. And 20. Very nice. Beautiful. Change the direction without stopping. Okay. Change the direction. 1. Continuously. No, continuously. 2. Continuously. 3. 4. Yes. 5. Yes. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Continuously. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Very good. 17. 18. 19. Last one continuously. 20. Very good. Beautiful. Now let's do the swimming. All right. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the swimming. Yes, he knows it. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Move forward.
10. Change the direction. Do the backward swimming. 1, 2, full body, left and right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change. Very nice. Hold your hands behind you. Hold your hands behind you like this. Can you see me? Nathan, let me see your mom. Yes, very good. Now lift it up as high as possible. No, not like that. Hold it the same way you were holding. Look at me, okay? Look at me first. Look at me first. So I will not bend forward. No need to bend forward, okay? Hold it and 1, 2, 3, without bending. 4, 5, 6. Got it?
Hello,
Right.
hold your hand and bend and push.
Huh?
No,
Show
I'm
me.
telling Nathan.
Show me how you are holding. Turn back.
Nathan, move your hand. Move. 1,
Correct. Do it like this only. 3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6. Very good. 7,
8,
8, 9, 10. Relax. Very nice. Yeah, Nathan was doing very well. Slowly, Nathan, slowly.
No.
1,
it'll fall off.
2, 3, 4, 5. Lift it as high as possible. 6. Very nice. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. You can teach yoga to your mom now. All right. Chalo. So now look at me. How my palms are. So palms towards the back. Look at my fingers. Yes. Straight up. Okay. Like this. All right. Now my hands will go behind me, in front of hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. So take it like this. You are doing this. Right? So we are doing like this. 1. Palms towards palms behind. Look at this. So this is very good for the fat we tend to have near our underarms. All right.
Like this, right?
Don't clap.
I got it like this.
Yes, correct. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Now again, so this today we are working upon this portion. We tend to have lot of fat here and here. Okay. In the back. So that comes out when you wear something more exposing. You will see that the fat is showing up here and here. All right. So now look at me. Hands. One time we'll touch fingers and other times our wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? I'll show you it from the front. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Very nice. All right. So now spread your legs. Spread your legs. Bend. Bend. Hands resting on your knees. Bend as low as possible. Bend. And shoulders come forward. One. No. Left shoulder goes right. Right shoulder goes left. All right. So go down. One. Yes. Two. Go as low as possible. Three.
Like this.
4, 5, yes, 6. Feel the stretch in your thighs. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. So look at this. Look at the curve, okay? So mine is coming into a straight line. Look at this straight line, right? Can we try that? Can you bend as much as you can make a straight line? Lower, lower. No?
No.
Yes, very good. Hold it. Chalo, come back up. Slowly we will increase, okay? All right.
Like this.
All right. Now, keep a little distance between the feet. Just a small distance between the feet.
Okay.
And chair. Make a chair. Sit down. 1, 2, 3.
We have to hold it.
Do it. What happened?
You want to hold the chair pose, right?
Huh?
Hold the chair pose.
Yes. Hold the chair pose. Yes.
Do it like this. Look at me. Munch. Show me your bum. Munch, turn around.
Like this. Hold it. 1, 2,
Hey,
3,
come to the side. Come
4.
forward. Okay, come like this. You hold my hand. Okay, ready? Sit. Sit.
Yes. 4, 5, hips down, 6, yes, 7, yes, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
No, that's because you're disturbing.
All right. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend yourself. 8, 9. Bend. 10. Change the direction. 1, 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. Now look at me. Okay. Let's see whether you can do this one or not. All right. Sit straight. Go forward on one step. 1,
Sit
2,
straight.
3, 4.
Like a lunge, right?
Huh?
Like a lunge of sorts.
Yes.
Lunge.
No?
So basically, if you can't put your knee on the floor, that's okay. If you can stay up. Little difficult if you go all the way. Okay. So try
That's
it. Try once. Yes.
This
Yes.
is very
Go back.
lunge.
Yes. Very good.
Should I do it?
Yes. Sure.
Now.
1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I want to
Can you do one? Can you do more?
Yeah.
Miriam,
do more.
5 times.
Come this way.
Let's do 5 times.
1,
1, 2,
2.
go back. Okay, you can do continue. If you space, have the space, then fine. 3,
4,
4,
5,
5. Very nice. 6, Now continue 7 till let's finish till 10. 8,
8,
9, and
9.
all right. Very nice. Very good. All right. Now spread your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go all the way if possible. 4, 5. Go low as much as possible. 6, 7.
Even this side, I'll give pressure on my knee.
Okay. Lot of pressure is falling on your knee, is it?
Yeah.
All right. So let's do this one. Turn towards the side. Let's try this one. How do you feel? 1. Don't bend too much. Okay. 2. Do as much as possible only. 3, 4. You can do less.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. All right. Sit. Sit in your place.
Move bunch.
Sit.
Move, Neetu.
Move.
Spread your legs in front of you.
Full split.
Can you please move?
Full split.
Lift your leg up. Lift one leg up. Keep it like this. 1, 2, 3,
Move your
4.
leg.
Laser.
Nathan, lift your own leg. Nathan, lift your own leg.
Slide. You sit like the way I'm sitting.
I don't have a yoga mat.
You don't need a yoga mat.
It's okay. No need for yoga mat.
How?
Sit up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7,
7, 8, 9,
9,
and 10. Lift the other leg up.
1,
1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. So now we have to lift both leg up. All right. Hands behind. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 3, 4, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9.
10.
Bend your leg slowly. Bring it down. Very nice. Relax.
Put your legs up.
Oh, my back is hurting.
Now lie down on the floor. Lie
Oh.
down.
Lie down.
Yes.
Mhm.
Down.
Mhm.
Both hands, both legs up at 30 degree. Hold it. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 30 degree. Bring it down. Little bit down. Yes. Little up, little up. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend your legs and bring it down. Very nice. All right. Come on your side
Oh, dude.
and rest your head on your hand. Rest
Oh.
your head on your hand. Yes. All right. Straighten your body 180 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold. On 10, just hold your knee. Hold your leg up. Try to touch your toe. I'm holding my toe right now. So try to hold the toe or wherever you can reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Change the side.
Outside, dude.
Change your side. Again, head resting on your hand. Hands, front hands in the hands on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold it. On 10, hold, knees straight, bring leg as close to you as possible. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. All right. Come on your tummy. Come to your tummy. Now make a elbow till your wrist stays on the floor.
Then
Your knees also remains on the floor. Okay? Look at me. Watch me. Knees on the floor, toes on the floor, elbows on the floor. Okay? And lift it up. This much only. Easy peasy.
Okay.
Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.
I
You okay this much, Miriam?
Yeah.
Not too difficult, right?
Not at all.
Okay. So, only thing is I cannot see you. So I don't know whether you are doing it right or not. Because I want to see the central part. This part I want to see. Okay. Okay. Fine. I can see now. So lift it up one more time. Knees on the floor. Don't make a hill. Okay. Don't make this. Don't make it like this.
Yeah.
Stays like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. So this is the easier format of the plank. Okay. This is the first stage of the plank. Are you okay, Miriam?
Yep. I have a
Okay.
child on top of me partially. So, but I'm okay.
Okay. All right. So, can we try the second level of plank?
Sure.
Okay. So, now this time we will lift our hips up. Okay. Hips
Sure.
up and knees also up. Try to first look at me and then try. Okay. All right. So, 1. Like this. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it?
Okay.
So this time we are going to be resting on our elbows and on our toes. Knees also lift up from the floor.
Okay.
Right? When you start counting, you can be up as long as possible for you.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6,
6,
7,
7, 8,
9, 10,
9,
11.
10, 11. Okay. Chalo. That's okay. No worries. Come on your left side. Come on your left side. Bend your knees and take the support with your hands and sit up. Very nice. Beautiful. Very good. Okay, which plant is that behind you? Is it a snake? A snake plant?
No.
What is that? Name. What is the name?
I do not know. I don't think it's a snake plant.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. But it's a real one, no? Or is a real
No.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have to put it in the sun for some times or it is always inside?
It's mostly inside. I think I need to take it out, but because Zoe is there, my balcony is almost full of plants.
Okay. All right, all right. So, and water, how many times do you give?
Once in a week.
Once in a week. Okay. All right. Chal. So you have a lot of knowledge about the plants?
I like plants. I like orchids.
Hmm.
So I have a lot of orchids.
So you have a lot of orchids. Nice. Send me a
Amma likes
picture.
orchids because Amma is a orchid plantation.
Ooh.
All orchid planting, what did he say?
He said I have an orchid plantation because I have different varieties of orchids.
Oh, really? And it's flowering also?
It's almost, yeah, always flowering.
Very nice. Send me the pictures, no?
I will.
Okay. All right. Chalo, sit in your place.
Move, baby, move. We're done, right?
Yeah, we are done almost.
Get up, buddy. Ah!
So sit straight in your place. Chin mudra. Backbone is straight. Face towards me. I mean, face in the front. Eyes closed. Take a
Both.
long deep breath. Let's chant Om 3 times. Take a long deep breath. Oh. 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 Bring your palms close to each other, rub them together. Let the energy flow to your body, through your face, through your eyes. One more time. Let your palms be warm and let the energy flow to your entire body. Love your body, respect your body, care for your body. And thank you, God, for showing this beautiful and wonderful day. Slowly open your eyes.
Thank you, Eva.
Thank you so much.
Eva, any
Take care.
milkshakes?
Yeah, it didn't come yet.
Okay.
I don't know why. Generally, it comes in within the second day or something. I have to check. Okay, I'll check today and let you know. Even mine has not come. Even I am not using it right now. I have all the. Say it
You
again.
went on holiday, so you don't have to use it.
Yeah, no, generally when we go to holidays, we take our bags with boxes. But this time we didn't had. So I mean, I have all the flavors, but I don't have that shake mate, which is the base of the entire shake, right? I'll check and I'll let you know. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Chalo. Okay.
No, kids cannot drink.
They can drink. They have Dino Shake. I give my son Dino Shake.
Oh, they
It's
do?
very good. He can try that one.
Okay, maybe next time.
Very good.
Wait, dude, let me see what it is.
My son likes it actually a lot.
So what is Arne doing during the holidays?
Holiday started just now.
Yeah.
So right after holidays, next day he had grade party. So 10th grade they had party. Then next day we went to Ooty and then we came back on Sunday night. So that's also yesterday he planned something. Today he is planning something. He has written whole day's schedule what he will do.
Wow.
So probably he'll follow that. I don't know how much he will follow.
So which college are you trying or which school are you trying for 11th and 12th?
11th and 12th he's going to this one only, TCIS.
The nearby one.
Yeah, because he wanted integrated only. So yeah, they were Primus also was there, but then that is state board and school also we went there and we were horrified. So
Primus, is it?
yeah, it is. Many of his friends are going, but then Arne is not used to of that very, very local
Crowd.
local crowd. And even they have that 11th, 12th is on the top floor and the roof is of tin shade.
Oh shit.
So looking at this, I felt he may score good in 12th because that's what they say, state board, you do get good score. But then I felt day-to-day life will be miserable there. So
yeah,
so
like
I didn't put him
Primus was where Nathan was initially going, Prakriya.
Hmm.
So then we also stopped Prakriya.
Why?
Prakriya actually was more of a Gurukul way of learning. So it was no classroom concept. It was more of open air and everything. But during the pandemic, they were not able to adapt to the online way of curriculum. So he
Okay.
kind of fell backwards in everything with during the pandemic. He had just
Okay.
been to LK first standard in the pandemic. So that was a
Then I
base,
went
right?
to second grade.
Yeah. So then when we
Then
didn't see
before I
like
went to
UKG
third.
and first standard, we didn't find a lot of goodness in 2021 and 22. Then we moved them into Euro school.
Which one? Euro.
Yeah, it's basically Cambridge Public School. It used to be the erstwhile Cambridge Public School, the old Cambridge and HSR. Now it is
Okay.
branded by Euro.
Okay, okay. So that Prakriya you are saying that is of Primus only.
No, Prakriya was not by Primus. It was actually by a KPNC trust, Bhumi
Okay.
Education. So
Okay, okay.
yeah, right next to Primus was the campus.
Oh,
We
acha,
also
acha,
had
acha.
only till 1 to 10 like a Matra,
Hmm.
but it was more of a very open school. I used to like it because there was no concept of textbook and all. It was more like learning by doing and learning by seeing, and
Mhm.
that was very good.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
But after the pandemic, the teachers were not really able to cope up.
Right, right. No,
Maybe
Arne was going to this one, IB.
Matra, right?
No. And yeah, recently he was going to Amatra, means 9th and 10th he did from Amatra.
Okay.
But till 8th grade, he was going to Greenwood High, IB board. So
Okay.
there also we liked it very much. It was actually good. But then 8th onward, it becomes a crucial decision to, to whether keep it as CBSE or IB, because IB has very less scope in India. So if
I
we were
agree.
if we were 100% sure, then only we could have let him be there, because mostly like 99% students who are in IB, they are going abroad for further studies for sure.
Yeah. My sister, their daughter was in Greenwood High IB, but they were very clear they would be relocating to US. So by the time she was in 5th, they relocated. So then
that
now,
is okay.
yeah, then it made sense.
Yeah.
But
For us, like we were not sure. So everyone told that if, like, we spoke to many career counselors also. So they said that if you are not very sure about after 12th grade what he is planning or you are planning, then better to keep in CBSE, because CBSE doors are open to go through SAT. You can go outside also, and you can give in Indian exams also. With IB, you cannot give Indian exams. You can give. It's not that you're not allowed, but
they
then
have a long curve.
yeah, very difficult, because it's IB is more like you said, right? There was no textbook. They
Correct.
had textbook, but still they
More
were
of
more of
projects
a
and everything.
they do it's very good actually. The people who have done it, if you are only focused on learning, forget about anything else, all you want to do is learn good, then they have like a 12th grade only, they make you study like a PhD you are doing.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's that way, it is nice, but we were not sure whether we want to stay here or go out. But then now, as the time comes, we may be like, now we are inclined towards sending him
Yeah.
outside.
Oh, you are? So even you will be
Yeah.
relocating?
Mostly, I mean, still it's in the thoughts. I mean, we have not tried anything yet, but as the time is moving, right, we are seeing the competition here in engineering and the rigorous studies kids have to do.
Okay.
All those things. And so yeah, so my son is actually already a US citizen, so
Okay. Then
maybe
it makes more sense.
yeah.
I'll just show you. So these are some of my orchids.
Oh, okay. Nice. Where are they? Are so big.
Yeah, they are. And
They are
then
crossing the boundary.
yeah. And then this
Nice. Oh wow, beautiful.
one. Then I have few on the other side. Yeah.
No, come down. I can see the sky, but I'm not able to see the plants.
Sorry.
Now I can see. Yes. Very
You see?
nice. Where did you buy it from?
I actually buy it from HSR, not HSR, from Sarjapur Road.
Okay.
There's a nursery which I go and buy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they have orchids, huh? Each
Yeah.
orchid is how much? How much they are selling approximately?
About $7.99. This is
Okay.
some of it. As you can
Oh
see.
wow, so beautiful.
You can see what is there. It's like all purple.
Very nice. And it stays for a very long time, right?
Yeah, these
कॉल ही कट गई, अपने आप ही बंद हो गई.